Hi guys, it's Candace. It's time to do a couple little pick the winners. So this one is from the Oh Snap greeting cards gone wrong with the double flip out pockets and all that other good stuff. So I know. Anyway, we're gonna see who pops up on here. Phyllis Scutt. Alright, well Phyllis, I have your address. So let me just write you down on here. So congratulations on being a HoHoHo winner. I know I'm trying to look to see. I have my little list here. No. Yeah, just the first time. Woohoo! All right. Well, congratulations, and I will be picking a couple other ones from some other videos, and we'll be piecing them together. So, woohoo! Congratulations, Phyllis. Okay guys, here we go. This is the bonus video drawing with the flip through of the greeting cards gone wrong. But I think I called it greeting cards gone wild. But yes, I mean, hell, I got a little crazy with them. So let's see who gets this one. Craft and see what Laura B. Oh my gosh, my unit B. Woo woo! Congratulations, Laura. Well, I got your address and everything, so I'm adding you to my list. So, yay, yay, Laura. Bye. Okay, guys, now we're picking a winner for the tutorial of the 4 for real quick and easy gift cards. Since you know I went awry. And let's see who we have on this one. Jamie, I know it's you, but I'm going to pick another one because I know you're going to tell me to play it forward. So we're paying it forward. Dawn. I know Dawn's not going to turn it down. Girl, you better not. So congratulations, DawniJoMo. Johnny Joe from Dawn from Joplin, Missouri. I know, I figured it out. So congratulations, got you down here for the winner number 23. Congrats. All right, guys, we got one more drawing. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, our next video, winner number 24 is from the tutorial, the HoHoHo sack and gift folios. So let's paste our person in here. I mean, our video link. And see who comes up here. We have Sherry Vanderpool. Congrats. I know. Let me see. Sherry's got 1, 2. Girl, you've won 3. Oh well, you lucky ducky. So Sherry Vanderpool. I know this is truly a random pick thing. I'm not fudging anything, I promise you. So congratulations, Sherry. Woo woo! Okay, and then we have one more video to get caught up with our video, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, I know it's me, I'm back. I know it's still on the same thing, but now we're doing a winner chicken dinner from the tutorial 2-page double-sided paper project. So let's paste that video into here. Oops. And let's fetch. I know. Fetch boy. Let's see who's on here. Leighann Taylor. Woohoo! Congratulations, Leighann. Now, I don't remember. I don't think I have your address. So if you would please, Leighann, send it to me in the Etsy link below in my Etsy email. Or at the journalmecrazy@yahoo.com. But if you send it to me, I know if you have an Etsy, it's easier to send me to Etsy because I actually can keep track of it easier in there. But no biggie. But just email me your address so that way I can get a ho-ho with your name listed on there and get it out to you. So, and I did reply to this comment about the 32-pound paper, which I use the Hewlett-Packard Premium 32-pound paper because I have an HP printer. So, but I love it, and even Dawn loves it. So, congratulations, woohoo, Leighann. So, all right, we're done with our drawings. I think I'm caught up. So, let me get back to work. Bye, guys.